Are pump failures jeopardizing the welfare of your aquatic animals? With frequent maintenance and repairs, the downtime and cost to an animal facility are dangerous. Cheap, unreliable, and high RPM swimming pool pumps are one problem. Outdated, long-coupled pumps that require impeller clearance and shaft alignment are another. But the giant killer is an improperly sized pump system. There's got to be a better way. After years of successful resolutions to such issues, we have the solution for you. At MDM, we manufacture efficient, non-corrosive centrifugal pumps. Using engineered corrosion-resistant plastics and best practice pump selection, we solve system failures. Our pump design assures a corrosion-free, compact footprint with reduced noise, heat, and vibration. How does this impact your operation? Minimize downtime, ensure healthy aquatic life. Naturally, less time and money spent on operations and maintenance. And of course, no more stress. Inquire now. Let our application specialist guide you through selecting the right pump.